template of the bit of floor pan I cut out. Cut this out, shape it, and try and get this fitted today. See how we go from there. Alright, got a bit of the floor pan in here. Welded it from the inside flush, and then I've just sealed it underneath, and just run around some of the seals in here. Give that a lick of paint on the welds just to stop them oxidising while I'm doing the rest. Done a coat of paint after seam sealing the inner wheel arch over here. In here, don't know if the light's going to show it, but that's all welded from the inside down here. I'm just making up a template, working on this here. Let's see, that pushes in to there. It has to have a profile cut. The new seal finishes, I don't know, there. Let's get my measurements, but that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. Get this back edge done for the seal, and then get the front on. Sort of I do the bottom edge, tack on the top, then cut the top off, and fit this plate. It's progressing. Floor down there is all back together, all around. It's all pretty solid. It's getting there. It's a floor pan coming together, as you can see. Just the outer to work on.